Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix video disqualified from creativity program. Couldn't get rewards from this video due to the disqualifications reasons below. So guys, basically your video has been disqualified for some reason, for breaking rules or regulations or the community guidelines of TikTok. Then your video can be disqualified for creativity program, and then you will not be able to get rewards from this video as well. So guys, here you can read the instructions that says couldn't get rewards from this video due to the disqualification reason below. If you think it's a mistake, you have one chance to appeal by. So guys, basically if you think that this video doesn't violate any community guidelines on TikTok, then you have to simply make an appeal for this video, and the TikTok team will review your appeal, and if it is not violating any community guidelines, then your video will be qualified for creative program again. So guys, basically you will get a chance to appeal for this video, and this video will be qualified if you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok. So guys, this is the way which you can fix this problem, and if you think that this video helps you, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.